Now, just the other day, I did a class for an industrial type facility, and the receptacles installed in the kitchen area of this commercial and industrial building, in accordance with 210.8B as in boy 2, because this was a new type facility for training, for gatherings and things of employees for this very large industrial facility. They had a kitchen. And 210.8B2 dealt with non-dwelling unit type kitchens. Now they had everything in there. You go in and prepare food. They had an island. It was just a regular type kitchen. Well, notice that the dishwasher, it had to be GFCI protected. Any of those outlets in there around the sink and so forth would have to be GFCI protected, just because it fell under the rules of the definition of a kitchen in Article 100 of the NEC. So receptacle outlets rated 15 and 20 at 120 volt single phase in the kitchen that you see in this commercial or industrial related type kitchen, where you'd have a break room and you could go in and prepare food, lunch, heat up food, store food in the refrigerator, have drinks and everything that's located there for the employees. That's not unusual today. You'll see this in many facilities. So this illustration 10-42, in compliance with 210.8B2, says these receptacles, as you see in that kitchen area, must be GFCI protected.